Welcome to the instructions video for the Doppler effect interactive calculator. This powerful tool helps you calculate how the frequency of sound or electromagnetic waves changes when the source or observer is moving. Whether you're studying physics, working with radar systems, or just curious about why ambulance sirens change pitch, this calculator makes it easy. Let's walk through using this calculator. First, enter the source frequency in Hertz. This is the original frequency emitted by the source. For our example, we'll use 700 Hz, like an ambulance siren. Next, input the wave velocity, which for sound in air is typically 343 meters per second. Now enter the source velocity, let's say 30 meters per second for a moving ambulance. Then input the observer velocity. We'll use 0 for a stationary listener. Finally, select whether the source and observer are approaching or receding from each other. Click Calculate to see the observed frequency, which shows how the pitch shifts due to relative motion. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.